Can air in the brake lines cause a soft pedal feel after changing the pads?
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a common issue many drivers encounter after changing their brake pads, a soft pedal feel. We will focus on how air in the brake lines can be the root cause of this problem and why it's crucial to address it promptly.
What is a soft pedal feel?
When we talk about a soft brake pedal, we're referring to a situation where the brake pedal feels spongy or less resistant to your foot's pressure. This is different from the firm and responsive feel you typically experience when the braking system is in good condition. It's important to understand that a soft pedal feel could indicate a serious safety concern and should not be ignored.
Can air in the brake lines cause a soft pedal feel?
Yes, air in the brake lines is one of the leading causes of a soft pedal feel. This is because brake systems rely on hydraulic fluid to transmit the force from your foot on the brake pedal to the brake pads and rotors. When air, which is compressible, gets into this system, it can disrupt the effective transmission of this force, causing the pedal to feel soft or spongy when depressed.
How does air get into brake lines?
Air can get into the brake lines during maintenance, like changing the brake pads. If the brake system is opened up and not properly bled afterward, air can be introduced into the system. It could also happen if there's a leak in the brake line or if the brake fluid level gets too low. Proper care during maintenance and regular system checks can help prevent this from happening.
How to fix a soft pedal feel?
The primary solution to this problem is to perform a brake bleed. This process involves forcing brake fluid through the system to push out any air bubbles that have gotten into the lines. It is best done by professionals, but if you're comfortable working on your vehicle, you can do it yourself with a brake bleeding kit and the proper knowledge. Having a soft pedal feel after changing brake pads can indeed be a result of air in the brake lines. It's crucial to address this issue promptly to ensure your vehicle's safety. When performing maintenance, it's important to take necessary steps to prevent air from getting into the system, and if the problem already exists, a brake bleed can be a good solution. Hopefully, this video has provided valuable insights into the topic. Drive safely, everyone.